To set this chair up, first of all, you need to push all the 5 casters into the upside of the base. These are the 5 casters we need to fit into the base. To set this up, push all the 5 casters into the upside of the base. So take each one, push it inside the base, and it's in. This is the 3rd one. The 4th. The last but not the least, the 5th one. And they are in. So push the caster down. So push all of them down. Okay. Then you turn it the other way around. Insert the gas lift. So this is the gas lift here. And this part need to, so insert it. Okay, so this is how it goes. This in, and this is the gas lift cover. They are in. Screws for armrests. Now the next thing to do is you need to put this, okay, in. Now the next thing to do is you need to take this cover, push it inside it, okay, this is how it goes. Then connect it to this end. Remove this. This armrest goes here, and you tighten it up. So these are how the armrests look. Just need to tighten them up with the screws using the Allen key provided. So the screws we have here, we have 6 screws and Allen key. So this, you can extend it. So this goes to the right. This is where it goes. And 13. This goes good. Put the screw here, the right, then tighten it up. So tighten it up. Okay, so this is how to put the screw. Tighten it up properly. Do the same thing on this side. So put the screw. And tighten it up. Put the screws, the 3 screws on this side as well. Then put the 3rd screw. Then you need to tighten the screw up. Tighten it up. Okay. Then push. There we go. This is what we have here. Then here, and also then you tighten it up here as well. Very solid chair. This is what we have here. Very secure. To lift it up, just need to press this. So to lift it up, you need to push it upwards to lift. Very solid chair, well secure. So this is what we have here. So this is how to set this chair up. I'm happy with it. And this armrest, you can bring it up also to bring this up well secure. Thank you very much. This is how to set this up. Thank you. I'm happy with this chair. It deserves your attention. Thank you.